So you want to add a Vignette effect to your photos. Well, it shouldn't be too difficult, right? Well, if you're at the right platform, then yes. If you're not, then you can spend an eternity trying to figure out how to do that. Well, don't worry, I've got you. Today, I'll show you how you can quickly and easily add a Vignette effect to your photos with Pixelied. Pixelied is a web-based design tool that has all the answers to your design needs. So to get to our editor, just type in pixelied.com/upload and here we are. Now to upload our own image, you can either click on this button to browse an image from your storage, or you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelied's editor. Now to add a vignette effect to this photo, all you have to do is to select this image and go over to this button which says image effects and filters. Now from the filters tab, you will find the vignette effect here. And just like that, you can apply a bunch of more filters that we can find here, like the brownie one or the vintage one or the redify one. And just as easily, if you'll go over to the effects tab, you can also play around the basic adjustment, like you can decrease the brightness, increase the contrast, increase the saturation and stuff like that. So now let's see how we can add a text to this image. So to add a text to this image, go over to the text tab and you can either choose from a basic headline from here, or you can choose a really cool text style that really fits in with your graphic. For example, I'm going to select this one. So just click on it and it will appear on your artboard. Now I'll drag it like this to resize it and I'll place it here and I'll change this to say portrait. Okay, so now all that is left for us to do is to download this image. So click on this download button, select a format. Let's say I want a PNG format. Click on the download button again and our image is downloaded. So let's see what it looks like. So this definitely looks better than the original image. Alright, so we saw how easy it is to upload our photo to the Pixelied editor and then add some filters to it like the Vignette filter and make some edits and then even add a text to it. And that's the thing about Pixelied. Whether you want to adjust its brightness, add a filter or add a text, you can do almost everything just as easily. So go ahead to pixelied.com/upload, upload our images and make some aesthetic changes to them. Also, stick to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon because Pixelied has a lot for you in store.